Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag for November 2020. The topic of the month was be present, meaning that you're supposed to live for the moment and appreciate every second of your life. This information can be found on the card that comes with the bag. Also there you can find information about every product included in the bag, which I personally find very convenient. So there are descriptions, price and size of the products. The bag itself is made of artificial leather. The quality is quite decent and the colors are nice and cozy. What's interesting, the lining of the bag is made in the color that matches the traditional Ipsy color. And all in all, I like the quality of the bag. Now for the products. With Ipsy Glam Bag, you receive 5 sample size products. Sometimes you get 2 or up to 2 full-size products, but usually they are sample size. So, in no particular order. So the first product is sample size and it's Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. It's a lighter version of their bestseller Ultra Repair Face Cream. So the formula is pretty nice, it's really lightweight, but it's very moisturizing, instantly makes my skin hydrated, but it reminds me of souffle a little bit. And it absorbs pretty quickly, the skin looks smooth, nice and matte, I'd say, oh, even velvety. So I really like it. I would like to have it in full size. Next product is TATCHA the Deep Cleanse. This cleanser has a gel-like formula, but it lathers into foam. Although it comes in sample size, I think that it's enough to try it and understand whether it works on my skin or not. It's supposed to remove excess oil, build up dirt, dead cells, because it works as exfoliator, and also it should make your pores tighter and general appearance of your skin clearer and brighter. So I'm really looking forward to try on this product. Okay, so next up is a sample size mascara from EYEKO. I've already had a mascara from this brand and I can't say that I'm a fan of it, but I guess I'm gonna give it another try. This mascara is supposed to be volumizing and lengthening. Also, it should curl your lashes, lift them up and define. So once I try it, I'll tell you what I think about it. Next product is a full-size highlighter. Although I have quite a lot of highlighters and they are not among my preferable items in my beauty quiz, this one I like a lot. The color is amazing and it's really pigmented and it's blendable and it looks quite nice on the skin. I believe that you can achieve both subtle effect and really nice glow. So today I'm wearing this highlighter and I like the lit from within skin effect it gives. The next product is my personal favorite from all of this bag because it's a multi-purpose brush. I like the quality of this brush and I like its size. I like the bristles are very soft but they are quite dense and the shape is dome, so you can apply any powder products with this brush, either blush or bronzer, contouring powder or even powder foundation. So it's very nice brush and it's from MOTD Cosmetics. Also I had one add-on product. This is LABORATOIRES FILORGA Optim-Eyes eye cream. I guess there is no need to introduce the brand as it's known for its high quality skincare products. And this one is again their top seller. It contains hyaluronic acid and 55 anti-age ingredients that are supposed to minimize wrinkles and fine lines, make dark circles brighter and reduce puffiness and in general make your under eye area look younger. I haven't tried it yet, so again I'm really excited for this product. So that's all with my Ipsy Glam Bag for November 2020. In general, I like the bag and all of the products. However, I probably wouldn't like to receive mascaras anymore as I've got too many of them. But in general, the bag is quite nice, and the retail value for my bag is $49, and they claim it to be at more than $50, so it's pretty close. So let me know in the comments down below what do you think of my bag and what you got in November and whether you like it. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!